Hey guys, this is the Pro 5000 here, and I'm finally here with my PC built computer. I waited so long for this moment, and it's finally here. So, I'll be building my computer, and you guys can sit back and watch me. Here's my CPU cooler and Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, my AMD A10-5800k APU, a GPU inside a CPU, my motherboard FM2-A75MA-E35. It's from MSI. My 8 gigs of G-Skill Ripjaws RAM, clocked at 1600 MHz. My 1TB Western Digital Caviar Blue. Some extra fancy going into my case, and finally my power supply. Also, there's my tools and my big Cooler Master Storm Enforcer case. So I'll start the build video as soon as I'm done unboxing that. See you guys there. here's the finished product. Here's what it looks like. I added the case badges for my G-Skill Ripjaws RAM right there, and my AMD APU RAM. And it looks pretty nice. There's a red LED fan right there. And let's go up to the top before we get to the interesting bit. Here's my Acer 23-inch monitor. That's 1080p. Can't really think of the model name from the top of my head, but I'll probably put it in the description. And here's my Logitech G930 headset, my Audio Blue Yeti mic, and the flashlight. So here's my keyboard, and there's my mouse and a mouse pad that my mom gave me from JCPenney. It's a Microsoft Sidewinder X4 keyboard and a cheap $10 Dynex mouse. And I'll try to show you what I can with the flashlight. There. Here's the CPU cooler, there's the motherboard, there's my power supply. I also got a fan hub because my motherboard didn't have enough space. Well, didn't have enough headers for my fans, so I had to buy a hub so I can use those fans. Here's one fan, here's another, and there's a rear exhaust fan. I think you can see it, there we go. And here's my front, a 1200mm red LED fan. There's my terabyte hard drive. And let's get back up. Let's turn on my computer. There's the power button. It's pretty big. Let's see how fast it boots up. There's the red LED for my fan. And as you can see, my keyboard illuminates. It's pretty useful. I can change the brightness on it too, right there. The switch right there. Just turn it off because it's booting up now. It's weird how the Windows loading wheel just keeps spinning with the BIOS splash screen still in the background. But yeah, here's my PS3 controller that I use for some Steam games. Well, only one Steam game, that's Saints Row the Third. And let's see. So it just disappeared. Let's wait until it boots up. Should take only a few moments. By the way, I share the room with my sister, which explains all that like cosmetic stuff. Any day now. Any day now. Come on. You can do this. There we go. So here's the screen. I logged out of my Microsoft account real quick because I don't want you to see my email, because I don't want people emailing me random stuff. So let me log in real quick. And it's welcoming me. That's really warm, I guess. Looking good, looking good. There's a PSP that I own for 5 years so far. I think it's been the 6th year already. Yeah, it's been the 6th year. And there's all my games. So like, if you want to know about my Steam name, it's either going to be description or at my main channel page. Having a hard time saying that. You can hit me up on Steam and maybe we could play some games. There's my desktop. There's a Colograph from Infamous 2. Looks pretty cool. And there's all my icons. Oh, okay, that's just a live update from my motherboard software. I wish I could disable it, but Task Manager doesn't display it as an option to just disable it from startup, so can't do much. There's my Steam. I guess I could wait for it to load. And here's all the icons that I have. Thankfully, it's a 1080p display, so it doesn't fill up the whole screen. And since it's a 1080p display and I record in 720p, I can see like other stuff that's going on, like Audacity, for example, to see how long it's been since I've been recording. It's pretty useful, pretty useful. By the way, I record this like a couple days after Christmas, so there's obviously a sale going on in Steam. So I wish I could get a Call of Duty, but I don't have enough money for that right now. And yeah, it's a pretty decent sale because they do have a few good games here. And there's my game library. By the way, if you know how to remove Dota 2 test from your Steam library, please let me know, because I have no idea how to get it off my desktop. Well, not off my desktop, my Steam library. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a rating. It's always appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you guys. Peace.